Looking for some top home office color ideas? Great, you're in the right place. When designing your home office, your goal is likely to produce the most productive environment possible. After all, you want the paint you choose to have a positive effect on your home. You want a space that will encourage you to buckle down and do your work. That is obvious. To do so, you might want to look into color psychology. This refers to the psychological effect that certain colors can have on us. Different shades can make us feel different things. Let's get into how the home office color you choose can affect your overall work performance. Blue. Blue is one of the most popular colors in the world. A 2000 survey found over 45% of people identified blue as their favorite. This is rather curious, as the color blue rarely occurs in nature, barring the sky and some rare animal species. In fact, some cultures don't even have a word for it, and there is a theory that the color blue didn't exist in human language until a few millennia ago. As a home office paint color related to productivity, blue is an excellent choice. Its psychological effect on humans has been noted as positive overall, as it typically induces a feeling of calmness. Soothing effects are ideal for any home office, as no one wants to feel stressed when confronting everything on their to-do list. A blue color scheme might be an excellent pick for your home office if you are prone to stressing or worrying about everything you need to do for work. Different shades of blue can have different effects, but we recommend pairing this hue with lots of white paint and accents for a fun and lively contrast. Green. You'll find green throughout nature due to the abundance of plants around the world. Because chlorophyll is green, plants themselves are green. So it's difficult for most people to see the color green and not think of plants. Throughout history, green has symbolized growth, rebirth, and regeneration. Green might be an ideal pick for a home office because of how it relates to nature. If you live in the city, nature can sometimes feel far away. It might even feel hard to come by. If this is the case, a green home office might be right for you. Its tendency to inspire growth might encourage you to dive headfirst into your work tasks and give them your all. While work shouldn't be everything for anybody, career growth is a form of personal accomplishment, and a green home office might do a lot to inspire that. Green can be especially helpful if you do not have any windows in your home office, as it can remind you of the outdoors. Yellow. Yellow has always been a color of energy and life. Associated with happiness and optimism, the color might be an excellent pick for your home office. Throughout history, yellow has always been thought of as a color that is as sacred and eternal as life itself. For artists and designers, a yellow office might be the option that will make them want to dive fully into their work without any hesitation. If you want to energize your space with warmer colors, you can't go wrong with a bright color like yellow. Yellow is a vibrant and optimistic color that can lend some raw spirit to your home office. This hue is an excellent choice for designers who must draw inspiration from their surroundings and maintain a positive energy even in the face of adversity. When you're staring down a deadline, a yellow office can give you that extra push you need to tackle everything on your plate. Obviously, the shade of yellow you choose will play an important role. After all, who wants to work in a mustard yellow office? But ultimately, that choice is up to you. Pink. Pink has been through many iterations in the modern world. Interestingly, pink used to symbolize masculinity in Western civilization until blue and pink switched places sometime in the 19th century. However, beyond the gender paradigm, pink as a color can evoke both feelings of soothing calm and raw passion. It can be alternatively active and passive. The shade of pink you go with will play a significant role, but ultimately, pink walls are never a bad pick for any room, even if you just use it as an accent wall color in your home office. Pink walls have been shown to reduce the likelihood of violent inmates acting out, so if you're prone to anger and frustration because of the frustrating nature of your work, then a pink home office might be the way to go. The soothing effect of certain shades of pink is something to consider when designing your home office. Are you looking for a color to liven things up or tone them down? Answer this question before choosing pink as your home office wall color. The paint color you pick for your home office space is entirely up to you. If you want to boost productivity, we encourage you to determine what makes you more productive. A soothing color might work best if feeling calm makes you work well. If you need a little boost to work, an energizing bold color palette might be the way to go. Another consideration is if you are planning on using your accent wall as a background for conference calls, selecting a color that looks good with your skin tones can be a good start. Past that, the paint color and shade you choose are all up to personal preference. Figure out what works for you and make your color choice. Also, note what your home office walls are made of before deciding on types of paint. That's it for today's video. We hope you enjoyed it. Please be sure to like and subscribe so we can continue making more helpful content for you. Until next time.